3 quick flashes. A child chimney sweep stuck inside a flue, his face black with soot. A factory worker who wipes her brush on her lips before painting a glowing watch face. A man lowered into a pit, a single rope round his waist, an oil lamp his only horizon. Welcome to the most dangerous and strangest jobs of the past. Every night the lamplighter climbs the ladder, pole in hand, out in the rain above slippery cobbles. The chimney sweep, sometimes a child, crawls through narrow, suffocating shafts. The gong farmer descends into stagnant latrines to face the deadly gases that strike without warning. Further on, tanners stir putrid vats. Knackers cart away carcasses, but not the diseases. And in the marshes, people collect leeches with bare legs to feed the practice of medicine. In workshops, the dangers change but do not disappear. Hatters work with mercury and tremble by night. Glassblowers breathe burning fumes. Rat catchers stalk bites in the alleys. In plague times, bearers haul bodies at dawn, followed by exhausted gravediggers. Underground, the miner lives with dust and the fatal spark. The blasting crew loads rock, steps back, counts, and prays that the fuse will not betray them. Modern cities are born from this hidden labor. Sewer workers up to their calves in water and gas. Window cleaners balancing on narrow ledges above empty streets. A pearl diver plunges on a single rope as his only promise of surfacing. A lighthouse keeper fights loneliness and storms. A ship-rigger walks the yardarm with the sea yawning below. Some jobs touch the sacred and the dead. Resurrectionists who steal bodies for teaching. Professional mourners hired to weep. Sin-eaters who symbolically take on a dead person's guilt by eating at the bedside. And others slowly poison in the glow of factories. Match girls handling phosphorus whose jaws are ruined. Radium girls who wet their brushes on their lips before the glow eats their health. Painters using lead who coat walls and soil their hands. Fireworks makers who juggle sulfur and sparks. Niter collectors scraping cellars to feed powder. Thatchers who protect everyone but themselves. Stagecoach drivers holding the reins through night and mud. Bell ringers climbing belfries with ringing ears and the void underfoot. Why did these jobs exist? Because they answered vital needs. To light, to heat, to sanitize, to heal, to protect, to bury, to move people and goods. Every useful gesture had a human cost. If these trades seem absurd or cruel to us now, they mainly tell a story of resourcefulness, ingenuity, and ordinary courage. Our protections, hygiene rules, and workplace safety grew out of that costly memory. So next time a lamp is lit, a street stays clean, or a ship passes offshore, think of the human chain behind those taken for granted facts. Ask yourself, which of today's jobs will seem insane in 100 years? Subscribe if you like understanding the past through concrete everyday stories. Here we tell life as it was before.